Cleaning staff deserve a special kind of respect. Every day, they clean away the dirt and create order out of the chaos we cause. But even after cleaning, our workplaces and public areas remain contaminated with bad bugs. This calls for a different cleaning approach. In the 21st century, cleaning should not be limited to making our environments less dirty, but it should also protect them. That's why Pollet equipped the cleaning heroes with PolVita. PolVita is a range of probiotic cleaners that contain a huge amount of beneficial bacteria. They create a natural protecting microflora on each and every surface. While simply cleaning like you always do, the PolVita bacteria rapidly take up all the available surface space. Thus, a positive microbial equilibrium develops, which makes surfaces truly cleaner. This is key to promoting your well-being. PolVita is ecological, non-toxic, produced in a 100% carbon-neutral way, and thus truly sustainable. In addition to having its technology patented, PolVita's efficiency is scientifically proven by several universities and independent labs. With PolVita, your cleaning crew is well equipped to making the world safer and healthier. PolVita, probiotics that protect.